Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the VASAGLE 3-tier shoe rack, a versatile and stylish addition to your entryway. This shoe bench, measuring 11.8 inches deep by 28.7 inches wide and 17.7 inches high, combines industrial elegance with practicality, featuring a rustic brown surface and sturdy black steel frame. Designed with two metal mesh shelves, it accommodates 6 to 8 pairs of shoes, ensuring a neat and organized space, while the top shelf is perfect for bags and purses. The durable particle board and steel construction support up to 198 pounds, providing a comfortable seat for putting on your shoes without feeling rushed. Assembly is a breeze with easy-to-follow instructions and numbered parts, so you'll have it set up in no time. This shoe rack not only offers functionality but also brings a refined touch to your home with its classic and chic design. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more great product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.